Hey guys, we're going to be going over level 1 of the Cheat Engine game tutorials. These games are very useful to help you get familiar with reverse engineering in general and game hacking. So what we're going to do is go to Help, Cheat Engine Tutorial Games, and then we're going to take your cheat engine and attach it to the CE game tutorials process. And now we're going to select level 1. And level 1, you basically have five shots. However, once you run out of ammo, the target just heals itself before you can shoot anymore, right? So the way that we're going to approach this is we're going to try to find the target's health. So if you do a scan here, in the scan type, select unknown initial value and do a first scan. Or I'm sorry. Yeah, okay, so it did the first scan. Go ahead and damage it. And now we're going to look for a decreased value and do a next scan. And then we're going to go, this is a lot of results, so we need to narrow it down even more. Go ahead and damage it again. And then do a next scan. So I'm not really seeing anything useful here. Let's damage it again. Do a next scan. Okay, so here's something that looks interesting, right? So it's found a 4 byte value, so this is an integer um, of 28 where it first was 100. That kind of sounds like health, right? So if we want to modify this, what we can do is you can double click on the value and change it here, or you can right click on the in the cheat table and go to browse this memory region, and you can go ahead and change it would be right here. You can change it to, let's say we want to make it 1, right? And so then if we try to damage the target again, we can see that it gets destroyed because we changed the health to 1. And here it says, well done. So that's level 1. Let me know if you want me to do level 2 and any other levels.